Hi everyone, my name is Ase Traore. So today I am just gonna give you guys a very short demo on how to create a Quizizz game. I'm sure everyone knows what Quizizz is nowadays, but just a quick summary about it. It's basically a website that we can use as educators or even students and create games and quizzes and stuff like that, so we can push students into learning and having fun at the same time. So I am just gonna create a very basic game with 2 or 3 questions, just so you know. So the first step is to go to the website quizizz.com. It's actually a free website. You can just create a very basic account, and I happen to have an account already because I use it in my classes. So whenever you get here on the website, all you do is you click on create a new quiz. You can also try to find a quiz if you want, but as my aim is to create a quiz, so I'm just gonna create a quiz, and you can name the quiz anything you want. And as I teach French, I'm just gonna try to create French questions, so I can name it French level 1 quiz, and it can be about clothing, and you choose whichever class you want to make it on, and this one is going to be on the French language, and then you click next. And you have 2 options. You can either create your own questions, or you can just teleport other questions from a different quiz. And today I'm going to create a new question, and this is where you will have to write the question, and you will write the different answer options here. So for example, let's say, how do we say skirt in French? And here you will write your different answer options. The first one, and the answer happens to be jupe, so I will click on jupe because that is the right answer, and I will click on save. Yes, so right now, whenever students are actually able to join the quiz and are playing, whenever they click on jupe, it will show them that they got the right answer, and if they happen to click on any other answer option, it will show them that they got the wrong answer. So let's create another one. For example, this time I'm gonna try to use an image, so it can be a little bit more fun with visuals and stuff. So let's say, what is this clothing item? And I will add an image here, so you can just either drag it or you can just get it from your own laptop. So we're gonna get it from my laptop, and okay, we can use this one. And as you see, the clothing item is here, and we're gonna put different answer options. We can put and the answer happens to be robe, so I will click on robe and I'll save it. And you can add different things. You can even add a video if you want. You can also add formulas and stuff depending on what kind of subject you have in your quiz on. So that is about it. I hope you learned something. And by the way, when you're done creating all the questions, you can come here and click on finish quiz. And when you click on finish quiz, you can add a title, image. You can basically upload an image from your own laptop, or you can maybe put an arrow, and the language selected is gonna be English, and the grades I am gonna put it on 6 to 7 grade because that is French level 1, and I will save it. And yes, and now if I wanna make it live for my students, all I will do is click on live game, and whenever I click on that one, I will say host game, and here it is. So everyone with a Chromebook or a laptop can just enter this code, and whenever they enter this code, they will be able to join the game. And when they join the game, I just need to click on start, and that's about it. Thank you.